Welcome to our guide on finding arthritis relief with medical cannabis in Massachusetts. Discover how residents are exploring alternative treatments to improve their quality of life. Arthritis affects daily life with pain and reduced mobility. Conditions like rheumatoid and psoriatic arthritis cause joint inflammation and discomfort. Many seek complementary therapies beyond traditional treatments. Medical cannabis is gaining popularity for managing arthritis symptoms. It may alleviate neuropathic pain, reduce inflammation, and improve sleep. Various consumption options are available at dispensaries. The Massachusetts Medical Marijuana Program simplifies access for arthritis patients. Chronic pain qualifies for the program, offering legal and safe treatment exploration. Telemedicine makes accessing medical cannabis easier, especially for those with mobility issues. Secure virtual consultations offer a comfortable and private experience. Let's explore the simple steps to begin your journey with medical cannabis through telemedicine. Register online, discuss symptoms and past treatments, and receive same-day certification, all from home. Tailor cannabis to your treatment plan with professional guidance. Transition from chronic pain to potential relief with medical cannabis. Start with a simple phone call for professional certification and guidance. Don't let arthritis pain control your life. Contact True Herbal Consults at 617-401-5295 or visit trueherbalconsults.com to schedule your telemedicine appointment today. Like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on alternative treatments.